Meaning of hirsute.
hirsute,
Hirsute.
hirsute,
Hirsute. The word hirsute describes an individual or animal that has an excessive amount of hair growth. Typically, this term is used to describe men who have abundant body hair, particularly on their chest and back. However, it can also be used in reference to animals such as gorillas, dogs, and cats that have thick fur or long hair. The term hirsute comes from the Latin word hirsutus, which means shaggy or hairy. Overall, hirsute is an adjective used to describe someone or something that has a lot of hair.